How you can change the position of a video in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
One, click and select your highlight or your video clip. Step is to scroll to the right, transform. Change the video by mirroring the video and rotate the video. You can resize the video. See, you can even scroll and pinch in, changing the position of the video wherever you would like. Check mark, or you even have an aspect ratio of your choice. See, it's changing the format of the video. Happy and satisfied, click the check mark, or click the reset icon right here. The way that you can do this is click this arrow to go back to the right and click basic. Change the position manually, the x-axis and the y-axis. To the right, to the left, it's moving down. Even scale the video. If you move this to the right, you can manually see how much you're scaling in terms of a percentage. Rotate the video and it will show you the degree or angle of the rotation. Click free.